Good morning, all of you.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Very good morning, sir. How are you?
Fine, beta. How are you, beta? Where are the students of the class? इतने कम बच्चे.
Good morning,
They might
sir.
be doing the paper.
Sir, today math exam is fantastic.
Very good. Very good.
Fantastic.
It
Nice,
was
nice.
very good.
Sir, it was
Easy,
good,
but it was
but
nice.
nice.
Our
Not
result tell that
fantastic,
how was
better.
our exam.
Was it easy?
Sir, it's nice. Sir,
Yes,
100% easy.
the answer that Nidhi question also came made in the worksheet.
Yes, sir,
Sir,
the
it was
girl
very,
one.
very easy, sir, but it was lengthy. Sir, it was easy, but it was lengthy.
Yes.
Sir, yes,
Sir,
sir.
some question is easy and some question is lengthy.
Okay.
Sir, it will tell that how the paper was done. It will tell our result.
Okay. So, Kanak, how was your test? कैसा हुआ आपका,
Sir,
कनक?
now please tell who has made the paper.
कनक, how was? अच्छा हुआ. Very good. आनिया, आपका कैसा हुआ?
Sir, अच्छा ही हुआ.
Good. Sania, yours?
Sir, good. Sir, I want to ask something. Sir, in that
Yes.
question only which finish line one question blue color which you have not done shading, that the one question in our worksheet that question comes, so I have done like this. In means it is I am in hurry because time is going less, so A1 it will go, she will go to part D, so I write D here. This is correct.
बेटा,
And in C1 we have to write, मतलब वो कहाँ जाएगी, C पर होगी तो फिर मैंने I write C upon 6. Is this correct or not?
I will have to see the question first. मुझे अभी पता नहीं है. Okay. Then I will tell you.
So actually, I send your paper to you after after 9 o'clock. So because actually I told you the reason also. So I was not
Yes.
able to join the meeting.
Yes. How was your
So I was
test,
just saying that.
Linda? How was your test?
So actually I got way to somewhat. It was like I have to do it fastly. So but afterward it was really very easy and but it was somewhat lengthy. So
Okay.
it was really very easy.
Zahra, yours?
It was very nice.
Good. So you have done well. Nishu?
So from my perspective, it was nice. आपके perspective से पता नहीं.
Sorry? What
So
happened?
from my perspective, it was nice. और
It was
आपके
nice.
perspective से नहीं पता.
नहीं पता. नहीं, अच्छा ही होगा.
Sir,
Qibla?
I have sent you question.
Nice.
Qibla, nice. Qibla,
Sir,
Good.
I have to make the
Sir,
PDF
can you
many
please tell
times
me one
because the
thing?
photo was not clear.
yeah. Qibla, yes. What are you asking, Qibla?
Sir, who made the question paper?
Sir Gaurav Ahuja sir.
Your voice is breaking, Qibla.
She's asking that who made it.
Hello? Zara, are you saying something?
Yes, sir, she's saying
Sir,
that
Who made the question paper?
Sir, she's who made the paper.
Pariti, your voice is not coming.
Sir, I guess Gaurav Ahuja sir.
Sir, she said who made the paper.
आप लोगों की आवाज नहीं आ रही बहुत सारे बच्चों की.
Sir, maybe we
सर
have
किबला
confused.
सर
Sir,
सर
आपने
किबला
बोला
कह
था कि
रही
हम
है
बता
कि
देंगे. Sir,
सर
आपने बोला था
किबला
कि हम
बोल
एग्जाम के बाद
रहे
बता
पेपर
देंगे.
किसने बनाया.
Sir,
हाँ जी.
sir, the paper was easy, but it takes
It was
a
lengthy.
long time to do.
It was lengthy.
Yes, sir, it was lengthy.
Yes, sir.
Soumya,
Sir, I was
how
saying
was
that
your
was-
exam? How was your test, Soumya? Mics, please. Yeah, Soumya. Soumya.
Sir, I think I have done some.
Soumya beta,
Sir,
how
you
was your
said that
test?
you will tell after the test.
सब बताना पड़ेगा, मतलब मैंने इतना ट्राई करा कि मैं ना बताऊं, बट आप लोग पीछे पड़े हुए हैं.
Yes, sir.
Who made the question paper?
Sir, who made this? Sir, Gaurav, sir.
Gaurav sir.
Sir, I think this only.
Sir, I have sent you that question. Please see on your WhatsApp. I have sent that question only. We have done in class also.
Which one?
Sir,
Sir,
the
I have
blue-
Where
sent
the
you.
girl was
Sir, I
running.
have sent that image on your WhatsApp. Please see. Have you seen?
I don't remember बेटा. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है.
जिसमें the girl was running.
Sir, I have
अच्छा,
sent
वो-
you that image.
Sir, that relay race.
अच्छा हाँ yes.
Sir,
yes.
go to your WhatsApp and see.
Okay.
Sir, the relay was. Sir, the
In which
relay.
the girl
These
was
ones were-
running. The question in which the girl
Yes,
was
sir.
running.
Sir, this one is easy. Sir,
Sir,
was
that
very- it was a
question
very
we have done
easy
in
question.
class.
हाँ yes, we discussed
Sir?
it in the class.
Sir, in first question it is asked मतलब वो किस stage पर जाएगी.
Sir, but
So
the
I have
matching was
written
something
here like this.
confusing.
D. So like
हाँ.
this type I have written. It is correct or not?
No problem. No problem.
Sir,
Shreyas,
can we discuss the question paper? Sir, please.
Yes, sir. Can we discuss answers?
निशु, तुमको कैसे पता चला गौरव सर ने पेपर बनाया है?
सर क्योंकि उनकी ईमेल आईडी वहाँ पर थी और वो सिर्फ आपका ही होना
Yes,
चाहिए था
sir.
वहाँ पे.
हाँ.
Yes, answer also, sir, the questions that were taken. So I was knowing that he Gaurav sir ने बनाया होगा.
Was there any choice in the last question?
Yes, sir. There were two
Yes,
questions.
sir.
We have to
21
choose.
questions.
Match the following.
Match the following.
Sir,
is
I have
very
but
written
it's
match
difficult.
the
so
following.
Okay. I think both
So
were.
actually, I also know the pattern. Gaurav, sir, how does he send us the exam? So because of the previous year, so that's why I got to know.
Sir, can we discuss the answers of the question paper so we can see how what was our marks?
Sir,
चलो बेटा, श्रेयस मेहता, आपका कैसा हुआ एग्जाम टेस्ट मैथ्स का? श्रेयस,
yes, sir.
श्रेयस, हाउ वाज योर टेस्ट?
Sir, good.
गुड, वेरी गुड,
Yes, sir.
वेरी नाइस. बेटा बाकी सारे बच्चे प्लीज स्टार्ट योर वीडियोस, जिनके वीडियोस ऑफ हैं. वी आर स्टार्टिंग.
So when I am opening my camera, your voice is not coming to me.
Sir, you also open your
Okay.
camera.
Sir, you also open
Sir,
your
is that
camera.
fine if I keep my camera off?
Sir, can we
Ah,
discuss it?
sir, bird is red.
Sir, this board is.
Sir, it should be black. We
Sir,
said
it should be
Yes,
black.
No,
sir.
sir.
It
Sir,
should
write
be
with
black.
white,
Sir.
white color.
I'd never seen
It
the
should be
red.
red.
Sir, write something with white.
Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
This screen is
No,
fine
sir,
or not?
it's
No,
black.
sir.
This is not good.
Sir, the black is very good.
It's blood color.
Keep
Sir,
black.
it's good.
Sir, it feels like a
Yes.
pinboard.
Not
Sir,
matching.
it's looking like a pinboard.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can we do the classes on this board today?
Yes, sir.
मतलब if you
No,
feel
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Blue one is fine. Sir, blue one is fine.
No, sir. Blue one is not
This
fine.
is-
or the black one.
I think
Yes, sir.
Sir,
The
this
black
is
one.
fine.
Sir, the
Fine.
Sir,
black.
write it
black.
with
Black
the
is-
yellow or white color.
Sir, it's
the
fine.
black is fine.
Sir,
Black is fine. Good.
Okay.
so can
Sir,
you please
black
write
is fine.
with white?
Sir, can we discuss the question paper, sir, please?
Yes, please we can
Yes, sir.
discuss.
Can we discuss answers?
चलो बेटा डिस्कस करते हैं. Let us discuss the question paper. आज क्वेश्चन पेपर ही डिस्कस कर लेते हैं जल्दी. Let me open the question paper.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it there on your screen?
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
next number
No,
in the
sir.
pattern.
Sir.
-62, -37, 25 माइनस करा है इसमें से.
25.
37 47 47
25.
66 या तो 25 माइनस कर रहे हैं -12 मतलब 25 ऐड कर रहे हैं नॉट माइनस वी आर एडिंग 25 so -12 plus 20 25 is 13 answer of this
30.
question is 30 option B
30.
okay चलिए next the on the number line the value of -3 into 3 lies on the right hand side of
So 10.
-10
So minus
-10.
हाँ जीरो के
A
लेफ्ट में
option.
होता है 9 के भी लेफ्ट में होगा क्यों ऐसा क्यों नंबर लाइन आप लोगों ने पढ़ी है नंबर लाइन आपने ड्रॉ भी करी है -3 into 3 की वैल्यू क्या आएगी दिस विल बी -9 फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट विल बी -9 है ना
Yes,
तो
sir.
-9 जीरो से लेफ्ट साइड में आएगा यहाँ पर कहीं आएगा -9 -4 भी जीरो और -9 के बीच में आएगा कहीं 9 तो ऑब्वियसली राइट साइड में आएगा ही आएगा लेकिन -10 कहाँ होगा -10 -9 के लेफ्ट में होगा तो हमसे ये पूछ रहे हैं -9 जो है वो माइनस कौन से नंबर के राइट साइड में होगा -10 के राइट में होगा सो आंसर
So
इज
minus
-10
10.
इट वाज अ लिटिल लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन
So the answer is -10.
या विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज
So
नॉट एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ ए इनमें से कौन सा ए का एडिटिव इनवर्स नहीं है
Sir,
ए का
A1.
ए का
so
एडिटिव
A
इनवर्स
option.
माइनस ए
Sir,
होगा सो दिस इज -ए दिस इज ऑप्शन बी इज -ए ऑप्शन सी भी -ए है ऑप्शन डी भी -ए है ऑप्शन
sir,
ए
the answer is A
Is
प्लस
option.
correct. Sir, why
ऑप्शन
is
ए
correct?
the decimal
Because so
expression
if we
for
solve this,
8
so
rupees 8
answer
paisa
is A.
8.08 8 rupees 8 paise
Sir
8.08
Sir, the
8.008.
ये तो easy था
8.08.
ये वाला तो
8.08.
easy था -8 into -3 into -4 -8 into -3 into -4 option A again option A
Sir, the answer is
और इस अच्छा
option.
इनमें से कौन से इक्वल नहीं है सॉरी
Sir, option D.
कौन सा वाला इसके
Sir
इक्वल नहीं है
option D.
ऑप्शन डी यस
Sir, option
कौन
D
सा
is
वाला
सही
इक्वल
है.
नहीं है वो पूछ रहे हैं बाकी सब इक्वल है ऑप्शन
Sir
डी इज नॉट
option.
इक्वल for a non-zero integer a which of the following is not defined any number divided by 0 is not
So
defined
A.
Sir, A.
any number when
Sir,
divided
A.
by 0 it is not defined ये क्या हुआ क्लियर करना पड़ेगा अच्छा यहाँ तक क्लियर
Not
हो गया क्वेश्चन
defined.
नंबर 5 तक एवरीवन
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ये क्या हुआ 6 तक सॉरी 6 तक हमने कर लिया ठीक है
Reason raise.
अब मैं इरेज कर लेता हूँ इसको और जस्ट वेट 7 fill up हाँ जी when 16 is divided by dash the quotient is 4
So minus 4.
माइनस
कौन सा
-16
-4?
So
को
minus
-4 से
4.
डिवाइड करेंगे तो 4 आ जाएगा ठीक है the product of 5 upon 129 and its reciprocal
Sir,
is
1.
5 upon
Sir 1.
129 को अगर आप 129 अपॉन 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आएगा ये पूछ रहे हैं क्या आएगा 1 आएगा ठीक है
Sir
if we multiply 5 positive integers
Sir,
and
minus.
1 negative integer 5 positive
Sir,
integer और
negative.
single only one
Sir
negative
minus
integer
100.
so is the resulting
Sir,
answer
minus means negative.
negative okay
So I have written minus 186.
why -186 क्यों
So मैंने so first 5 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया
नहीं नहीं नहीं
और
नहीं
नेगेटिव इंटीजर
फर्स्ट 5 को थोड़ी करना था बस ये बताना था कि कोई भी 5 पॉजिटिव
Sir?
इंटीजर हो कोई भी एक नेगेटिव इंटीजर हो तो
Sir,
उन
so-
सबका प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा
Sir,
So,
मतलब
sir,
मैंने ना
आंसर इज रॉन्ग minus 186.
चलो आई विल सी कि क्या होगा ओके
सर मतलब मैंने इसमें ओनली माइनस का साइन लगा दिया तो रॉन्ग तो नहीं होगा
नो प्रॉब्लम नो प्रॉब्लम dash is an additive in identity for
सर
integers
0
Sir, 0.
Additive
Sir,
identity
0.
Sir, 0.
होती है 0. Yes, 0 is the additive identity.
Sir, 0.
When 0.02964 is divided by 0.00004,
Sir, 741.
Sir, 741.
तो ये बस इसको डिवाइड करना, डेसिमल के आगे दोनों जगह 5 डिजिट्स हैं,
But
डेसिमल हो
sir,
जाएगा
for the 9
0.02964 0.00004. So we have to divide these two numbers. देखिए डेसिमल के आगे दोनों जगह 5 डिजिट्स हैं, सो वी कैन डायरेक्टली रिमूव द डेसिमल. 2964 अपॉन 4 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, रिमूव द डेसिमल. सो ये डिवाइड करके क्या मिलेगा आपको? 741.
Sir,
741.
the answer is 741.
7, sir, we will not put point.
पॉइंट क्यों आएगा बेटा? यहाँ पे डेसिमल से
No,
डेसिमल
sir, we have to can't
देर आर
put the
5
point.
डिजिट्स आफ्टर डेसिमल. दोनों जगह डिजिट्स के बाद 5 डिजिट्स हैं, सॉरी डेसिमल के बाद 5 डिजिट्स हैं, तो डेसिमल कैंसिल हो जाएगा दोनों जगह से. ओके, वी कैन रिमूव द डेसिमल. सो आंसर इज 741, नो डेसिमल. 2/3 of 27, ये तो इजी था. 2/3 of 27.
Sir, it's so
Sorry.
easy.
9 into 2
Sir,
is 18.
the answer is 18.
Yeah,
Sir, 18.
ठीक है. चलो क्वेश्चन बी.
The question B, section B.
Section B, sorry. Section B. Savita is dividing 3 whole 1/4 kg of sweets equally among her 7 friends. How much does each friend receive? 7 friends में divide किया है, तो we have to divide 3 whole 1/4 kg by 7. 3 whole 1/4 को 7 से divide करना है बस. Can you see this? यहाँ पे मैं लिख रहा हूँ question को.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So 3 whole 1/4 when you change in this mixed fraction, sorry, improper. Now
Sir, 13/4.
divided by 7 को हम जब multiply में change करेंगे, we will write 1/7. So 13/28 answer. 13/28 kg मिलेगा सारे.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Yes, sir.
13/28 kgs. अगर आप
Yes,
ग्राम्स
sir, my answer is correct.
ग्राम्स में आंसर निकालने तो ग्राम्स में भी आ सकता है आंसर. ओके, फ्रैक्शन
Sir,
में निकाल लीजिए,
Sir,
सॉरी केजीज में
sir,
निकाल लिया तो
first I have
13.
written gram and then butter.
Okay, next question. What
So
is
now
the
the
cost of 7.5 meter of cloth at rupees 53.50?
Sir, my answer is 401.25.
Sir, 401.25.
What is the
Sir,
cost of 7.5
401
meter
point.
of cloth?
Yes.
Multiply करना
Sir,
है
we
बस.
have to multiply.
7.5 into
Sir, we have to do
53.5
multiply in this question.
multiply करना है, जो भी आंसर आएगा. 401.25, I think it is.
401.25.
हाँ, रुपीस. ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Rupees 401.25.
या मैं आंसर्स लिख दे रहा हूँ. 13.28
Sir,
kg,
the 15th one is easy.
401.25.
Yes, the 15th one is very easy.
Taking today as 0. अच्छा, नंबर लाइन एक बना लेंगे तो ज्यादा इजी बने लगेगा आपको क्वेश्चन. आज के दिन को 0 मान लीजिए, ऐसा कह रहे हैं क्वेश्चन. नंबर लाइन बना दूं मैं इसमें?
Yes, sir.
Draw a number line, you
Yes,
will
sir.
find the question easier.
Sir, I can't see the question paper. You have to written Rasik Tandon has started screen sharing.
Beta, I think there is some network problem.
I'm just keeping my camera for 5 to 10 seconds because my Wi-Fi got closed and I'm with my network. So, network connection is not so good, so that's why I'm just keeping my camera. Yes, and now I'm see the test.
Sir, 5 to 10 seconds is over.
Sorry.
Sir, in
sir,
this question, yeah.
देखो
Parini,
बेटा,
speak first.
सो
You can speak.
-1 -2 नंबर लाइन आपको सबको आती है बनाना. 1, दिस इज 2, दिस इज 3, दिस इज 4, बस इतना काफी है. सो आज का दिन टुडे इज 0. टुडे, आज के दिन को 0 माना है इन्होंने. yesterday, day before yesterday was 17 of January. Day before yesterday क्या डेट थी? 17 of Jan. ठीक है. So what is the day 3 days after tomorrow? What is the date 3 days after tomorrow? तो ये टुडे है, ये टुडे है. टुमारो हो गया 1, ये टुमारो हो गया. इसके 3 दिन और आगे चले जाओ. 1 2 3 days आफ्टर टुमारो. कहाँ पहुंच गए? 4 पर. तो फोर्थ नंबर 4 पे डेट क्या होगी आपको बतानी है. 17 Jan, 18 Jan. आज की डेट क्या होगी? 19 Jan. एम आई राइट? 19th of Jan. 20, 21, 22, 23. सो आंसर हो गया 23rd of Jan. क्लियर? आंसर सही है?
So I
बच्चों
have
का
written 4th.
Yes, sir. My answer is correct. Sir, now my 4 answers
So
are
मैंने
wrong.
दिया था 4th day. So
Sir,
4th day on the
I'm
number
not
line.
calculating which are my correct. I'm calculating which are my wrong. My 4 are wrong.
So मैंने लिख दिया 3 days after tomorrow is the 4th day after today.
the paper was a little difficult one.
So अब मैं जल्दी में डेट लिखना
Sorry.
Sir, I'm saying that's why only our result will tell our marks. Our paper will be good or not.
Sir, this is a
Sir, can we discuss 16 question?
Yes. Ramu evaluated the expression -7 -3 and came up with the answer -10. रामू का आंसर गलत है. क्या गलत करा है उसने आपको बताना है. -7
Sir, कुछ गलत तो नहीं
-3. -7, ये देखिए, माइनस इंटू माइनस, ये प्लस
Sir,
हो
I think
जाएगा.
Sarah say something.
-7
sir.
+3 बन जाएगा ये. -7 +3, सो -1 +3 इज -4. सो रामू के आंसर में क्या गलती है? रामू के आंसर में गलती है कि the answer should
Yes,
be
sir, my answer
-4.
is correct. -4.
Answer should be -4 and he has written -10. So he has not done what is the mistake? उसने माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस में कन्वर्ट नहीं किया. यहाँ पे जो माइनस
Yes,
माइनस
sir.
मल्टीप्लाई होंगे, रामू ने क्या करा, ये माइनस माइनस को मल्टीप्लाई करके प्लस नहीं बनाया. सो दिस इज द मिस्टेक. ओके, अगर आपने आंसर -4 निकाल दिया है, आई विल गिव यू 3 मार्क्स. बस अगर आपने सिर्फ
Okay,
इतना
sir.
कर
Thank
दिया है,
you.
योर आंसर इज -4, बाकी कोई रीजन अगर आपने नहीं भी
So
दिया
my
है,
answer is no.
I will give you 3 marks out of 4. So 3 out
Thank
of
you,
3.
sir.
ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
चलिए. Yes, any doubt? Ania, Sania.
No, sir. No, sir. No doubt.
Sorry?
Sir, Arnav is saying that he is not able to join the class because he is offline. He is not coming online because of network problem, and he is offline. That's why he will see the recording.
Ma'am, I think Hania will say something.
Okay, no problem. Hania?
Anya,
You
not
have to
Sania.
message me.
Hania,
And
are
she
you
will
saying?
give me a message.
Are you saying something, Hania?
Sir, please discuss the 20 questions.
The normal body temperature is this. इसमें तो सिर्फ आपको डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है. 103.1 माइनस ये पॉइंट.
Sir, I am saying please discuss the 20 questions.
98.6, ये माइनस करेंगे आंसर आ जाएगा.
Yes, sir. My answer is 4.5.
Sure, you will cut marks for spelling
नहीं बेटा, I will not cut marks for spelling mistakes. Don't worry.
Sir, my answer is 4.5.
Just a minute.
Sir, it is so easy.
Okay, so question 20.
Sir, I am saying about this question only that in this question we can say in first one A option where is written where will be Neri when she was in 4/6 the way through the race. So I write here D because
Yeah, D
Sir,
is
you
the
can't
answer of
discuss
the.
the 18 and 19 questions.
I will discuss. I will discuss.
Okay.
So D is the answer of A part. B part, the answer is E. And
and last one is 3/6.
third one, the answer is 3/6 or 1/2.
So this is that question only which we have discussed in class.
5 marks. 5 marks का question है.
Okay. So can you repeat?
It is written. A part answer is D. B part
Yes,
answer
sir.
is E. Answer of B part is E.
Yes,
And
sir.
our answer of C part is 3/6 or 1/2. Okay.
So my all the answers are correct.
Very good. चलो क्वेश्चन ऊपर चले जाते हैं. लेट्स डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 and 19. Cost of a burger is 20 whole 3/4 and of a McPuff is this. Find the cost of 4 burgers and 14 McPuffs. तो पहले 4 burgers की cost निकाल लेंगे, multiply by 4. 20 whole 3/4 को 4 से multiply करेंगे. McPuff 15 whole 1/2 को 14 से multiply करेंगे because we are finding we have bought 14 McPuffs. फिर जो दोनों की अलग अलग cost आएगी वो ऐड कर लेंगे. ठीक है, इजी है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19.
What is the answer of 18? I'm so confused in this answer. Oh, this question.
Sir, 23/4. Sir, yeah, 83/4.
20 whole 3/4 multiplied by 4. 83/4 into 4. 4 से 4 कट गया. This is 83. Then cost of 14 McPuffs. 15 whole 1/2 into 14.
2 multiplies
31/2 into 14. This is equal to 31 into 7, which is equal to 7 to 1 217. And total cost equal to 83 plus 217. So this will be 300 rupees.
So my answer is correct.
Okay. So my answer is also correct.
Very good.
So my answer is wrong.
Why, Paridhi?
So by mistakenly I have written 400.
400. Oh.
So by mistakenly. So मुझे याद था 300 पर लिखा
बाकी सब आपने सही करा है परिधि इससे पहले का.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Then I will give you 2.5 out of 3.
Yes sir.
Okay. If only the answer in the end is wrong and all the method and all the calculation before that if it is correct and the statements you have written the statements, I will give you 2.5 out of 3.
Thank you sir.
Question 19. For celebrating Children's Day, students of class 7 bought sweets for rupees 740.25 and cold drink for rupees 70. If 35 students contributed equally, what amount was contributed by each student? Okay, so इतने रुपीस की कोल्ड ड्रिंक आ गई सॉरी इतने रुपीस की स्वीट्स आ गई, 70 रुपीस की कोल्ड ड्रिंक, इतनी महंगी कोल्ड ड्रिंक, 35 बच्चों ने 70 रुपए की कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी है बस।
सर इतने बच्चे से इतनी थी?
हम्म,
सर आई वाज
चलो
थिंकिंग सर मैंने इन दोनों का सर कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ कोल्ड ड्रिंक का अलग निकाला था, कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ स्वीट्स का अलग निकाला था, और फिर उन दोनों को प्लस कर दिया था और फिर टोटल कंट्रीब्यूशन लिख दिया था।
I'm doing it.
सर
0
ये
4
सही है?
plus 7 is 1 1
ओके
8 810.25 ये टोटल कंट्रीब्यूशन हो गया। अब
Yes,
35
sir.
स्टूडेंट्स ने कंट्रीब्यूट करा, सो यू विल डिवाइड दिस 810.25 by 35।
Sir, the answer is
सर
23.15.
ओके
सर टोटल कंट्रीब्यूशन फ्रॉम ईच स्टूडेंट 23.15 है मेरा
आई थिंक इट इज
सर, क्योंकि मैंने कोल्ड ड्रिंक का अलग निकाल दिया था एंड आई हैव सर फाइंड
वो
सर
भी
रिटन द
कर सकते
आंसर
हैं,
ऑफ
बोथ
स्वीट्स
बोथ द
एट द
मेथड्स आर
अदर
करेक्ट।
साइड।
आप ये भी कर सकते हैं, 740.25 आपने पहले 35 से डिवाइड करा, 70 को भी आपने 35 से डिवाइड करा, फिर बाद में ऐड कर देंगे तो भी आंसर सेम आएगा। बोथ द वेज आर करेक्ट।
So the answer is sir 23.1.
तो मैंने
I
So
think
what is
your
the answer of
answer
this question?
so I
the
have written
answer
like this.
I'm telling you the answer, let me calculate. Let me just
So,
calculate. I'm telling
so when I just read the question, so when I read the question number 18, I have, so that till that time I have not eaten something like that, and I was really very hungry, and after that I was feeling so much hungry that I drink something. So I drink some water, and after that I drink milk.
Acha, oh, so this question
Sir,
was all
sir, is
about
that sir is
So
this
long
right?
time
khana
I
pina.
haven't eaten. Sir, I'm eating.
23.15 is the right answer.
Yes, sir, my answer is always correct. But in the 20 question, I was wrong.
Okay. क्वेश्चन 21 ये तो हमने कैसे होगा इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस कैसे करने हैं, भाई ये हमने डिस्कस किया था कल।
Yes, sir.
मैच द फॉलोइंग ये कर देते हैं जल्दी से।
Sir, but sir,
Sir, just 1 minute, I switch off my camera.
यस यस
so match the following मैंने थोड़ी सी गलत करी थी।
इसमें ए पार्ट का आंसर है 6 से मैच हो जाएगा, 6 वाले से। a into 1 is a, 1 is the multiplicative identity यानी कि थर्ड वन, माइनस a divided by माइनस b is a upon b यानी कि फिफ्थ वन, a into माइनस 1 is माइनस a यानी कि सेवेंथ वन, a into 0 is 0 यानी कि एट्थ वन। ओके, जीरो जीरो
Sir, I
इज
have did the
एडिटिव
first answer.
आइडेंटिटी।
So,
जीरो क्या होता है? एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी होती है। सेकंड वन,
yes, sir.
a divided by minus a is equal to minus 1 which is ninth one, and minus a is additive inverse of a यानी कि फर्स्ट वन। ठीक है, आंसर।
Yes, sir.
30 सेकेंड्स में क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया 5 मार्क्स का।
Sir, this question is of 5 marks.
यस, 30 सेकेंड्स में सॉल्व हो गया ये 5 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन। आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि
आप कर रहे
थोड़ा सा पेपर जो है वो लॉजिकल था,
था।
डिफिकल्ट ऐसे नहीं था मतलब, बट इट वाज लॉजिकल, द क्वेश्चन पेपर वाज लॉजिकल।
Sir, it's not sir difficult and not logical, but sir, it's lengthy something.
लेंदी तो इतना नहीं है, एक्चुअली लेंदी इसलिए था
बड़ी क्लास